Alright guys, welcome back to Secret Fantasy. After a long break, we are finally back. Today we are returning to one of our favorite game, Innocent Witches. In this video we are going to dive into the first chapter of the Act 2, that is A Look From Inside. I will share a walkthrough of this game. Now I know a lot of players find this particular chapter quite difficult. There is a lot of confusion around the potion making part because it involves 18 steps. But don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to make the potion step by step. So as soon the chapter begins, you will see some conversation pop up on your screen. In this part, you should just go ahead and pick the first option without overthinking it. Once you're there, you will be presented with two main options. The first one is just give me the recipe, and the second one is I don't need help. Now friends, keep in mind that the option you choose will change the direction of the story, but the actual process of making the potion remains the same. My advice, go with the first option, just give me the recipe to keep things simple. So after choosing the first option, Snape will give you the potion recipe. Once you have it, head over to your office. And in your office, double check the recipe here. As mentioned in the journal, we need to find some ingredient to brew the polyjuice potion. So let's go ahead and collect them one by one. Use the map to travel to the Great Lake. As soon as you arrive, you will find the leeches there. After that, we need to go towards Hagrid's hut. There you will find the lace wings. After that, head towards Forbidden Forest. Here you will find a horn of bacon and some knotgrass. Okay, now we need to talk to the girl, and you can pick any option and she will give you the boomslang hide. Once you have everything, return to your office and check your journal again. Now, as mentioned in the journal, we have to go to the second corridor and look for the Andromeda's portrait. So let's go there. First leave the office and go to the second corridor. And here just talk with her by just clicking on her portrait. From there you will automatically be taken to Snape's office to complete a small mini game there, and once that done you will finally get the flux suite. To complete the mini game in Snape's office, you just need to Drag your finger from where you see the slightly glow or sparkle on your screen, starting from the top. Once you finish this, you will successfully get the flux feed. After that, head back to your office. As soon as you enter, maid Mimsy will appear. Talk to her and make sure to choose the first option in the conversation. Now here you have two options. Make sure to choose second option. Wait for Mimsy first. After some time, Mimsy will return and give you a curl of Harmony's hair, which is a crucial ingredient. Now your journal will update. Check your task and you will see the main goal: brew a POLYJUICE. To start brewing, first click on the clock in the game. Use the time skip feature to set the time to 9 p.m. Once the time is set, head straight to Snape's Potion classroom. Here click on this pot and you will find some ingredient: Bicon's horns powder and lacewing tincture. Now the minigame interface will appear. Let's follow this 18 steps carefully. First, add the flux feed in the pot by simply dragging it. Next, add the Notgrass in the same way. And now click on this wand and set this for 2 times. Just watch how I am doing it on screen. Now turn off the fire for 360 seconds. Follow the timing exactly as I do. Now drag the leeches. After that, add lacewing tincture. Now you have to stir this clockwise 3 times. Follow my lead here. Okay, now set the fire on medium flame for 30 seconds. Now you have to wave the wand for 1 time. Now drag the bloom side. Now add the Bicon's horn powder and then stir the mixture counterclockwise just 1 time. Set the fire to high flame for 20 seconds. Okay, now we have to turn off the fire again for 138 seconds. Now stir it clockwise 3 times. Then now add your waifus here into the pot, and finally wave the wand one last time, and there you go, the Polyjuice potion is ready. Okay, that's it for this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more games walkthrough videos and more game suggestion videos.